Hi, in this video I will show you how to get the Pixar filter on the Instagram. So first of all, this is not the filter of the Instagram, this is the filter of the Snapchat. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to click on your camera and click on the emoji on the right side. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the explore, and in the explore you have to search for the Pixar, and you will see a filter on the top cartoon 3D style. Now use this camera in front of your face, and or you can simply record a video with it and after that upload on the Instagram or on your TikTok. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.